Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a welcome message for Facebook Messenger in HeroBot. The welcome message is the first message that your users will receive when they click the Get Started button. To start, click on Flows on the panel on the left side of your dashboard. Click on the Add Flow button. Name your welcome message flow. Create your desired flow as a welcome message to engage or navigate users to different bots and flows. Keep in mind that a welcome message is the very first bot flow that your users will interact in, so take the time to plan and design it properly. Once your welcome message is ready, it is time to publish it, then go back to your dashboard. Go to Settings. Under the General section, choose the flow you just created as your welcome message. As you remember, we called it a welcome message, so we are going to choose this flow. Now let's test it. There you go, we just created your welcome message in HeroBot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.